my simple instructions. Yo.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Nicole Tamaray, and I'm cosplaying Odette from Mobile Legends. Have you ever seen the dawn of Swan Lake? It is beautiful.
Oh, energetic, huh? How about cosplayer number 14?
Mash up the thing, Bonnie. Say that you're boss, cause you are the boss. Buy anything, don't care what it costs. Act like you should know, I'm money Moschino. If you're disciplined, then I'm dying, I'm raw. All ladies, bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Mind to the left, slide to the back, drop it down low, take it back high.
大家好，我叫嘉华文。I am Prince Stephen Di Reboa. By the way, good evening. I am cosplaying Itachi Uchiha.